special mention to all my fans, followers, friends, partners, Webi, Ndi Enu, whose work is to, like this palm tree now needs work. Yeah, this one needs work. Yeah. Whose work is to like cut off like all these branches, right? You know what I'm saying? So that it's the tree is performing at max this thing. So to all my Ndi Enu friends who for like a week or 2 weeks now have been unable to walk because the rains, when it rains, right, they will say either this or my Onye Enu is lazy and does not want to come and collect money. They say that there is water in the palm tree, so that they are not climbing at the moment. So yeah, special mention to you guys. You guys are in our thoughts because I'm saying until rain stop before if you go get money, maybe they'll do other works. So yeah, if you're considering the line of work of being an Onye Enu or being an Onye Mgbu Akwu, you should consider other asset classes as well in your investing. Yeah, because when it rains, it pours. When it rains, no work.
Ugo, idi ebube. One up on my body, kibu ekide. I bless your temple with my all 4 sticks.